Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Citi credit card with Citi Mobile App. Full guide step by step clearly. Open the Citi Mobile App on your smartphone. Log in using your Citi credentials. If you don't have an account, tap on Register to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Find the credit card you want to authorize. Tap on the card to open its details. Look for the Card Services option within the card details. Select Manage Card or Card Authorization. Choose the option to authorize or activate the card. Follow the prompts to enter any required information. If prompted, enter a valid phone number or email for verification. Check your inbox or messages for a verification code. Input the verification code into the app. Review the details to confirm your authorization request. Tap on Submit or Authorize to finalize the process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the card has been authorized. You can now use your Citi credit card for purchases. For future reference, you can find your authorized card in the Accounts tab. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support. That concludes the process for authorizing your Citi credit card with the Citi Mobile App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.